Discover what America has to offer with Amtrak Vacations. From the excitement of the big cities to the serene vistas of our national parks, Amtrak Vacations offer hundreds of options to travel by train to North America's top destinations. As Amtrak's official tour operator, we take the complexity out of planning and booking your dream vacation by offering packages that include rail, accommodations, meals, sightseeing, and more. Depart from any of the 500-plus Amtrak stations and customize your vacation to discover amazing cities, scenic landscapes, and spectacular national parks. There is no better way to see and experience America. You see, we believe the journey is as important as the destination. We offer rail vacations to some of the most popular national parks, including Glacier National Park, Yellowstone National Park, the Grand Canyon, and more. With hotel accommodations inside the national parks, the experience is that much more memorable. Maximize your time exploring popular destinations as Amtrak brings you right into the heart of major cities like Chicago, New York, Washington, D.C., and Seattle. With daily departures and the option to customize most packages, we can plan the perfect vacation for you. Whether it's a full sit-down meal or more informal food service, there is something for everyone. From chef-inspired cuisine to a quick bite in the snack car. Travel in comfort and relax while you travel to your next destination. We have room to roam so you can get up, stretch your legs, and enjoy all that the train has to offer. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Hop on board with Amtrak Vacations and see where the train can take you.